Guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a few tips to do if you cannot find your Bluetooth accessory on the Nokia 9 PureView. So when I have a problem with my headphones or any other Bluetooth gadget, I'm only starting from the simplest way, just restart. So just switch off and switch on the Bluetooth again to restart this, and you can also try to restart your phone by holding the power button. A little bit obvious, I know, but sometimes it really works, so just try it. And at the start you have to be sure that your Bluetooth accessory have activated power mode. How to do it, you will find the manual to your device or maybe on your YouTube channel. So if you're sure that your Bluetooth accessory should be visible for other devices but still not for your phone, go to the settings, slide down to the system and expand the advanced. You can see there have a reset option, so tap on it and choose the Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth included. So just tap on it, click reset settings, confirm pattern, reset settings again, and after that look for the device again on the Bluetooth list. After that you can also try to update your system. How to do it? Open the system again, expand the advanced and tap on the system update. If you have any updates, just download it and install. And the last recommendation from me, check your Bluetooth accessory on your phone on other Bluetooth device to check which one is visible, which one is making problem here. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe, a comment, and goodbye.